Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook pork ribs. Start with the right preparation for tender, flavorful ribs. First, carefully remove the thin silver skin membrane from the bone side of each rack. This crucial step prevents a chewy texture. Next, generously apply your favorite dry rub, making sure to cover every inch. Let the rub work its magic for at least 30 minutes at room temperature, or for even deeper flavor, refrigerate for up to 4 hours. The secret to fall-off-the-bone ribs is a low and slow cooking method. Whether you're using an oven or a smoker, aim for a consistent temperature between 225 and 250 degrees Fahrenheit. This gentle heat allows the connective tissues to break down slowly, resulting in incredibly tender meat. Cook for about 3 to 5 hours, or until the ribs are easily pliable and the meat pulls away from the bone. To enhance moisture and infuse more flavor, consider wrapping your ribs. After the initial cooking phase, place the ribs on heavy-duty foil with about 1/4 cup of liquid, like apple juice or cider vinegar. Seal tightly and return to the heat for another 2 hours. This steaming process makes them incredibly juicy. Finally, unwrap, brush with your favorite barbecue sauce, and cook for a final hour to set the glaze. The final touch is all about the sauce. During the last hour of cooking, generously brush your ribs with barbecue sauce, allowing it to caramelize and create a delicious glaze. Once cooked, resist the urge to slice immediately. Let the ribs rest for 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring every bite is succulent. Then, simply slice between the bones and serve your perfectly cooked pork ribs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.